Hello, 8th standard students. How are you all? I'm your English teacher, Meena ma'am, and I'm going to start the second part of the chapter, The Day the Viceroy Came. Okay, so in the first part, you learned it well. You just read the chapter. Yes, I think so, because you are all hardworking students and doing so well. Fine. Okay, now the second part is, in the first part I told you last that he was harassed by an ant, right? An ant was there on his left leg, right? Now see what happened, and here a funny things happens, right? So you will enjoy the chapter. Gopal pushed it away with a small twig. He took twig means a small stick. He took a small twig in his hand and pushed the ant away. But it returned. What did the ant do? जैसे कि हम किसी एंट आती है हमारे पास, हम उसको दूर भगाते हैं तो वो वापस आती है. एक बिग एंट होती है तो ये करती है, ठीक है ना? वी नो इट वेरी वेल, वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस. Threatening him with its antenna, he became irritated with it and flicked it away a little more violently. Now, what happened? It returned. And what did it do? Threatening him with its antenna. एंटेना से उसको जैसे बाइट किया, ऐसा उसको लगा. एंटेना माने आगे का उसका माउथ होता है, उसके आगे जो एंटेना जैसा होता है, दैट. He became irritated with it and flicked it away a little more violently. Flick means push किया उसको, और ज्यादा violently उसने ant को अपने से दूर भगाया. Pushed it away. The ant landed far away and rolled in the dust. दूर चली गई और डस्ट के अंदर वो रोल हो गई, मतलब डस्ट के अंदर दब गई. एंड गोपाल वॉज प्लीज्ड, वो खुश हुआ. ही वेटेड फॉर इट्स नेक्स्ट मूव विथ इंटरेस्ट. नाउ what is the situation? You know, students, do you remember कि एक तरफ से they were waiting for the arrival of viceroy, और दूसरी तरफ वो एंड के ये एंड जो है उसके साथ उसका मुकाबला हो रहा है. सो बोथ द थिंग्स आर गोइंग टुगेदर. कि गोपाल वॉज प्लीज्ड कि उसने उसको पुश कर दिया एंड को. ही वेटेड फॉर इट्स नेक्स्ट मूव विथ इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट से देखने लगा गोपाल कि अब ये एंड जो है वो क्या कर रही है. द एंट इमीडिएटली मूव्ड टुवर्ड्स हिम लाइक एन एनिमी टैंक इन अ बैटलफील्ड. जैसे कि बैटलफील्ड में कोई एनिमी की टैंक होती है और वो टैंक एनिमी की तरफ एकदम से आती है. द सेम वे द एंट, व्हाट डिड द एंट डू? इट मूव टुवर्ड्स हिम. उसके तरफ वापस से आने लगी एंट. एंड द एंट seemed so angry that for a moment गोपाल was worried. ऐसा लगा कि जैसे एंट जो थी वो एकदम से गुस्सा हो गई. इट became very angry and गोपाल was worried. ना उसको वरी होने लगी कि क्यों ये ऐसा कर रही है. He hurriedly gathered a handful of sand and poured it all on the attacking ant. अब उसने क्या किया? हैंडफुल सैंड, हाथ में सैंड ली, पूरा हाथ भर के, और उसके ऊपर जैसे बच्चे करते हैं ना, कोई एक इंसेक्ट होता है तो उसके ऊपर डस्ट डाल देते हैं, उसको दबा देते हैं. सो सेम थिंग इट हैपेंड बिकॉज ही वॉज अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. Gopal was a child. And what did he do? He poured sand on the attacking ant. It came out of the temporary grave. ये उसने क्या बनाया था? टेम्पररी ग्रेव. ग्रेव माने कोई जब डेथ हो जाती है उसके बाद उसको अंदर जमीन के अंदर दाग देते हैं ना, डिग कर देते हैं, तो दैट इज अ ग्रेव, कब्र. तो ये तो उसकी टेम्पररी ग्रेव थी. इट वॉज नॉट अ परमानेंट ग्रेव. So it came out of the temporary grave, greatly puzzled by Gopal's new tricks. जैसे कि एंट पजल हो गई थी, उसको पजल हो रहा था, वो कंफ्यूज हो रही थी कि गोपाल ये कौन सी नई नई ट्रिक आजमा रहा है. Gopal felt a mixture of viceroy and sympathy. Why it was a mixture of viceroy and sympathy? एक तरफ से viceroy आ रहे थे विक्ट्री एंड सिंपथी। तो उसको मिक्सचर ऑफ विक्ट्री एंड सिंपथी, कि एक तरफ से उसको विक्ट्री हो रही, उसके मतलब वो विन हो रहा था, जीत रहा था, एक तरफ से उसको सिंपथी हो रही थी, किसके प्रति? एंट के प्रति। और उसकी जीत भी हुई थी, उसने उसको दाग दिया, उसको अंदर डस्ट के अंदर डाल दिया, सेंड के अंदर, फिर भी वो वापस निकल आई। तो सिंपथी भी हुई उसके साथ और खुद को एक विक्ट्री भी हुई। He gently picked up and the confused ant on a twig. It clung to it and remained still as if admitting defeat. Now what happened? उसने gently pick up किया, उसको उठाया, confused ant जो थी उसको उठा लिया, किसके ऊपर? एक स्टिक थी उसके हाथ में, उसके ऊपर। तो इट क्लंग माने वो लटक गई, हैंग, जैसे कि इसके ऊपर, ट्वीक के ऊपर लटक गई। एंड रिमेन्ड स्टिल एज इफ एडमिटिंग डिफिट, जैसे कि डिफिट वो एक्सेप्ट कर रही है, जैसे कि वैसे वो उसके ऊपर, ट्वीक के ऊपर लटकी रही। देन इट बिगेन टू मूव केयरफुली अलोंग द ट्वी, और ट्वीक के ऊपर मूव करने लगी, चलने लगी एंड। It came very close to his fingers and would have climbed onto him if he had not let go his fingers at that moment and held the stick by the other hand. स्टिक से होकर नाव कहाँ जा रही थी? वो उसकी फिंगर पे जा रही थी ना। उस वक्त उसने स्टिक को एक हाथ में से लेकर दूसरे हाथ में रख दिया, जैसे कि वो अब उसके हैंड पे मतलब ना उसकी फिंगर पे ना आए, उसके लिए उसने हैंड को चेंज कर दिया, और जैसे कि उसको सिर्फ स्टिक के ऊपर ही रखा एंड को, जिससे कि वो उसकी फिंगर के ऊपर ना आए। द एंट सडनली फेस्ड एन abyss. What is the meaning of abyss? The meaning of abyss means a deep empty hole. शायद उस स्टिक पे एक छोटा सा होल होगा, उसके अंदर वो जैसे जाने के लिए ट्राई कर रही थी। Then it turned round and started walking back towards Gopal's fingers. फिर शायद उसको ये अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा, तो it turned around, वो वापिस आ गई, and started walking back towards Gopal's fingers. गोपाल की फिंगर की ओर वापिस से it started moving. But Gopal repeated the trick. The same thing गोपाल did, जैसे कि एक हाथ में से ट्वीक को दूसरे हाथ में ले लिया, जिससे कि वो उसकी फिंगर पे न आ पाए। So the same thing Gopal did once again, shifting his fingers in time to the other end of the stick. जब वो मूव होकर उसकी फिंगर पे जाने लगी, उस वक्त फिर से उसने हाथ को बदल दिया और स्टिक की दूसरी ओर दूसरा हाथ उसने दूसरे हाथ से स्टिक को पकड़ लिया, जिससे कि वो फिर से स्टिक के ऊपर चलने लगे और उसकी फिंगर पे ना आए। तो सेम थिंग शी डिड, गोपाल डिड। बार बार वो स्टिक को हैंड चेंज कर रहा था और एंड को उसी स्टिक पे उसने लगा के रखा। He liked this game and it went for a long time. Gopal liked this game and he was enjoying. He forgot that he was on the ground and they were waiting for the viceroy. And he started to be busy with another game with the ant. Then suddenly he heard a blare of trumpets and the band began to play. Suddenly what? He was playing with the ant. From this he took this twig from this hand to another hand, both the hands, he was changing the hands, and the ant was moving on the twig. The same thing happened so many times, so he was busy with playing with ant. Then suddenly he heard a blare. At that time what happened? A loud unpleasant voice was there, right? A big voice was there, and what happened? The band began to play. Band bhi प्ले होना शुरू हो गया। There was a lot of rush and bustle around him. Bustle means busy activities. There was a busy activities around him. He saw what happened. Something new is there. Something happened over there around him. He turned his attention from the ant to his friends. They were already at the edge of pavement, standing in a line. Now what happened? He turned to his friends that what his friends were doing, and what kind of noise was that. They were already at the edge of the pavement, standing in a line, the same age, same surface पे थे. pavement में एक लाइन में ऐसे ही straight खड़े थे pavement पे. He was about to drop the twig. Now he came to know where he was. He was on the ground, and he remembered the place why he was there. So he wanted to drop the twig, ant and all, everything he wanted to drop and rejoin his friends when he discovered to his horror that the ant, which ought to have been somewhere near his finger, was nowhere to be seen. At that time, what happened? When he discovered, जब उसने ढूंढा उसको, when he tried to discover where the ant was, to his horror, उसको डर लगा. क्या डर लगा? That the ant which ought to have been somewhere, ant की जगह कहीं होनी चाहिए, it should be somewhere near his finger, उसके फिंगर के पास कहीं होनी चाहिए, but it was nowhere, कहीं दिख नहीं रही थी. अब ant गई कहाँ? He was very much worried कि अगर फिंगर की ओर आने वाली थी जो ant ट्विग में से होकर, वो ant गई कहाँ? Now he was very much confused. And you know what happened? He shivered with fright. Fright माने डर. Shivered माने एकदम से shivering होना. बॉडी पूरी उसको उसकी शिवर होने लगी. And he thought that it could have climbed over his fingers and got lost in his sleeves. शायद उसकी फिंगर्स से होकर उसकी स्लीव में चली गई होगी तो. That was the great fright to him. बहुत डर लगा उसको कि शायद ये जो एंट है वो उसकी स्लीव में, उसकी कोट की स्लीव में चली गई हो फिंगर से होकर. He looked for it all over his coat and on the ground. He also discovered the ant everywhere. He looked everywhere, on the ground, on his finger, on his coat, and everywhere he wanted to find it. It had completely vanished. Vanished माने disappeared. It was already disappeared. It was nowhere. He tried to discover it everywhere. Right? With an uneasy feeling. Now he was very uneasy. He felt very uneasy. He joined the group. अब उसने ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया जो कि उसका मेन वर्क था, उसको जो करना था. बट हिज एक्सेलेंसी द वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया हैड ऑलरेडी गॉन. वो इतना मशगूल था इस गेम में एंट के साथ कि उसको ये भी पता नहीं चला. ही कुड नॉट कम टू नो दैट हिज एक्सेलेंसी वाइसरॉय केम एंड ऑल्सो वेंट. Everything, the event had already been completed, but he was so much busy with playing with ant. The gathering dispersed rapidly. Dispersed माने अलग होने लगे, moved apart. All were aparting from there. जो वहां पर लोग जमा हुए थे, गेदर हुए थे, वो सब अलग अलग होने लगे because the event was over. I saw him so close, announced one of his friends. I liked the horses, said another. Now they were talking about the viceroy's arrival, how he came, how he looked. So he saw him so closely. Somebody so like these horses. Everything they were discussing. But Gopal did not know anything because he was busy with game. He's a great personality, the drill master remarked. At that time, the drill master, who was very, very busy in arranging everything, he told that he was a great personality. At home, his mother removed his coat. Now he went home and his mother removed his coat, folded it, उसको fold किया and put it back in the wooden box. जहाँ से निकाला था wooden box में से वहाँ उसको पैक कर दिया. She asked, "Did you have a good time? How did you enjoy the viceroy arrival?" Mother is asking. Yes, naturally, when we go to the event, when we go home, your mother is asking something to you, that what happened, how did you enjoy everything. Na? So she asked, his mother asked, did you enjoy the time? Had you a good time? Yes. What he replied? Yes. Did you have a good look at the viceroy? Did you look at the viceroy? How is he? She was asking. She was very eager to know. No. He was a right boy. Gopal replied that no. She asked, why? Why you don't do anything? Why you are saying no? I was busy. What is answering? Gopal is answering that he was very busy. And we all know in what activity he was very busy. He was so busy in playing with the ant and having fun with the ant, and he was not at all knowing that everything what is happening around him. Viceroy had come, he had gone, everybody had seen him closely, and everything he missed. But the game he enjoyed, and that was with the ant. So this was the second part, children. In the next part, I'll discuss question answer with you, and you will read the whole chapter, both the parts. You will learn it. You will read it carefully and find the hard words and learn the hard words. Okay, students. Bye bye.